Hey, hello there, can you hear me? Great. My name is Gerrit Heikoop and I will be the moderator of the Future of Information and Communication Conference, April 5th and 6th, 2018 in Singapore. If you're watching this video, you're probably going to be there too. So let's spend some time together to make sure you will be at your very best at this conference. So let's think back. When was the last time you encountered a pivotal moment? A moment where there's a before you encountered a certain presentation or read a paper or saw a film, and a clear after that time. And those pivotal moments is what we're looking for at the FICC 2018 in Singapore. And since you are presenting there, you might actually be the pivotal moment in the careers of our audience. And in this video, I would like to help you prepare to make sure you increase and maximize your chances to be that pivotal moment. Luckily, your content is great. Otherwise, you would not be invited to speak at the conference. So your content is not a problem. Your research is up to par. You're one of the best in your field. So where can we improve? Let's start with structure. First of all, when you sit down and prepare your talk, start with the end in mind. Write down the 3 key messages that you want your audience to take away from your talk. In this video I did the same. I wrote down, I want them to understand about structure, I want them to understand about connecting with the audience, and I want them to understand about the practicalities. Those last 2 are coming up. Once you've written down your takeaways 1, 2, 3, you then just work your way back to content pieces and slides that you might want to show in order to make sure people understand your takeaway messages. The second most important thing you would like to do when delivering your talk is actually connecting with your audience. Don't just go up there on stage and be nervous and deliver your talk. No, actually start with a connection, and you can do that either by asking a question to the audience, like I just did in this video. When was the last time you encountered a pivotal moment? Take them back. Or tell a beautiful story or example. Take us back to your goosebump or eureka moment where you and your research came to the point that actually led you to the takeaways that you're now sharing with us. Make it lively, make it vivid, describe colors, scenes, people you were with. And then you will suck your audience into your story and actually make sure that the content that you want to convey will much better stick. And finally, practice your talk and time yourself at 12 minutes. Yes, that's actually a little less, but that allows you some time to actually walk up to the stage, perhaps answer some questions at the end, and this will all be a smooth operation, because what you do not want is that you're being rushed and pushed either by yourself, an internal clock, or even worse, by a moderator that's going to ask you to stop your presentation. Now I'm sure with those 3 things in place, first of all, thinking about the structure of your talk, starting with the end in mind. Secondly, connecting with your audience by asking questions and telling personal stories and examples. And thirdly, being practically indispensable, you're gonna rock at the Future of Information and Communication Conference in Singapore. So finally, you must know a lot of friends either in the academic or the business world who are also interested about the future of information and communication. So why not take a minute of your time and invite them to come to Singapore too? Because the more the merrier, and the more people we bring together in Singapore, the more likely it is that we also get a pivotal moment in our careers, and we will be thinking about our lives as a time before the FICC 2018 and a time after FICC 2018. Good luck with all your final preparations. I'm looking forward to see you in Singapore on April 5th and 6th, 2018.